AE31 GPS Drone Operation Tutorial. Product configuration. Charge the drone battery before flight. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Charging indicator displays red. Fully charged indicator displays green. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Charging indicator displays red. Pre-flight preparation. Extend the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Insert the memory card. Precautions for indoor flying. Do not fly indoors in confined spaces. Switch to indoor mode before takeoff. Otherwise, the drone will not launch. Perform gyroscope calibration before takeoff. Long press to power on the drone. Then power on the remote controller. Wait for video transmission connection. Briefly press the GPS button on the remote to disable GPS. One-touch gyro calibration. Unlock the drone by spreading the joysticks outward, then push the left joystick up to take off. Outdoor flight precautions. When flying outdoors, launch in open, unobstructed areas. The drone defaults to GPS mode upon startup. Do not enable indoor mode for flight. Allow the drone to acquire satellites before takeoff. The more signals acquired, the more stable the flight. If flight becomes unstable, land promptly on level ground. For calibration, ensure the drone is level before startup. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Wait for the video transmission screen to appear. Press and hold to perform ground calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise until you hear one beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise until you hear two beeps. Compass calibration complete. Press briefly to perform gyroscope calibration. Always use GPS mode for outdoor operation. Take off when satellite signal strength reaches 10 or above. Unlock the drone with an outward V-shaped grip. Push the left stick up to take off. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Left turn. Right turn. Speed switch. One beep indicates low speed. Two beeps indicate medium speed. Three beeps indicate high speed. Adjusting the motorized camera. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will stop flying upon encountering an obstacle. Short press to enter headless mode. The drone will treat the remote controller's direction as its backward direction. Short press to exit headless mode. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Long press the record button to start recording. Long press again to save the recording. Press the return button and select File Manager to view saved photos and videos. Press the return button to go back to the previous screen. Tap to switch photo files and view images. Press the return button to return to the video transmission screen. Press the return to home button and the drone will return to the takeoff point. Connecting the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Long press to power on the drone. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. The transmission screen will appear. Finally, open the remote controller to pair frequencies. Clip on your phone to begin flying. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller bolts and remove the propellers. Note the A and B markings. Reinstall the corresponding propellers.